What's up, guys? Val Hunter back. This time I got a package from somebody in the pouring community, and I'm really pumped to get into this. As you can see, it's from the Bear. So getting right into this, guys, I'm really pumped. This has been sitting in my desk for a while. Took a little hiatus here. But what you can see is I picked up some 2-ounce vault bars. You know, one of the things I've been doing, guys, the Bear Certificate of Authenticity. Super cool. 2-ounce vault bar signed by the Bear. So I've got a few of them here, and just been trying to add a little bit from my favorite pours that I've watched over the years around the YouTube community. So here we go, guys. Get right into it. The Bear has been at the top of that list, and I think I've been going back and forth with him for over a year about getting a pour. And he does a lot of stuff. I think posts up on Instagram, and I'm more on YouTube. Have been more on YouTube, and so. This is super cool. Look at this. Wow. I think he threw a bunch of extra silver in here, guys. And I've seen his bars. He makes these in all sizes. And based on my budget and what I was looking to stack, I basically asked him for the 2-ounce variety. But from what I've heard, you could cut yourself on the edges of these. And that is not incorrect. So what I wanted was some vault bars, guys, because I just think these are so cool. They're like mini versions of the ingots that you get in the vaults, and I wanted enough that I could legit stack some silver. And these tell you what they are. So I think that's 65 grams. Oh no, that's the number. So these are numbered 65, and it's 999 fine. Look at the machining, guys. The Bear does phenomenal work. If you don't know him, go check him out. I'll put links to his Instagram down below as well as his YouTube channel. But unreal. Look at that. His stamp and logo is so iconic. It's really cool. And then it says to Troy. And then you've got the same thing here. This number 63 and number 64. So I got 3, 63, 4, and 5. And the cool thing about these is they legit stack just like vault bars. That's just such a cool little display like that, isn't it? I just love it. So appreciate it, Bear. Really neat adding 6 ounces to the stack there, my friend, and having an iconic, one of the best pours in the community added to the stack here. Let's see the COAs he sent me. Just kind of see what I got. 2-ounce vault bar. 65, 2-ounce vault bar 64 and 63, and this is the IPE World Wood hand poured. So I think he might have watched. This is an extra 2 ounces. So I didn't even pay for that. I didn't even ask the Bear for that. He just threw that in extra. And look at this, guys. Oh my goodness, this is maybe the most unique pour. He's probably watched and saw that I did a trade with Dean and asked for a wood pour, and I just love him. I'm getting into wood pours lately, and he's done it. He's created a wood poured round. Look at that. I wonder if he's got any video pouring this. I'm going to try to find some and post something up there so you guys can see the Bear pouring, but look at his logo. It's like raised up off of the metal because, oh, wow. Look at that. It's got the Bear logo right in the middle of the pour. I don't know how you got that in there like that, Bear. So cool. And then it's like bandsawed or machined, like the back of it. It's just super cool the way he finishes his silver pours, guys. And this is 2.1 troy ounce spelled out, 999 fine silver. Very neat. Very cool 2-ounce round, guys. The coolest 2-ounce round I have in my stack. I think this is, a new fave. Gotta say, I wasn't even expecting this, but it's super cool. Thanks, Bear. Just really cool. All the ridges and pour lines. What happens is You know, they'll cut a circle out of wood on something like this, guys. Let me get this over here so you guys can take a look instead of me moving it around. So what they'll do is pourers will cut out like a circle in a piece of wood and then pour into there. And then after they've done that once, it burns the wood and it gets all of this little like charred spots at the bottom and kind of falls out of there. And then when you pour it again, you end up with this effect where it like fills in all the burn crevices. And so that's what that is. And so therefore it's a one of a kind because you can't basically duplicate that once you've poured into it once. So really cool wood pour from the Bear. A 2 ounce. I mean, I got a feeling anybody that's in the poured community that knows the Bear, that collects poured silver, you're seeing this and you are completely jealous right now and probably heading right over there to see if Bear will pour you a wood pour like this because, I mean, it is freaking sick, man. This thing is just ridiculous. Bear, I love it. Dude, the way your logo is filled out, it's like raised in there. I mean, just super, super cool. And it says IPE wood, hand-poured piece of silver art with a 999 purity or better, poured by the Bear. So, Bear, thank you so much, man. If you guys don't know the Bear, again, go check him out, hit him up, order some stuff off his YouTube or Instagram channel. These are just the coolest. These little Volt bars, man, I just really dig them. I've liked them ever since I saw them the first time and always wanted them in my stack. Been emailing back and forth for over a year with the Bear to try to get some of these. And I finally got up to the plate and was in line. And I said, yep, send me 3 of the 2 ounces. And so I can add to the stack and add 3 more next time. Go out one and out one on each and then up one, you know, and just keep stacking these things out. They're super cool. And they just look really neat. Great way to stack some silver out of the collection. Super collectible. If you guys ever see the Bear's logo on the secondary, he had an old logo with like a bear walking, and then he's got this one. And guys, if you ever see any of his stuff, go out and grab it, pick it up, get it from him directly. Go on Instagram, YouTube, find him, ask for a custom pour. Or get some of these Volt bars. All his stuff is custom and just gorgeous. Great work. Thanks, Bear. Appreciate it. Guys, until next time, this is Val Hunter, and I'm signing out.